Welcome back.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got another cool build for you. So we've got a Service Honda converted CR500. Customer shipped it to us. We installed our TRIKE kit. We're gonna get this thing started up in this video. I'm gonna take it for a ride. I actually have a chest cam camera mount, so we're gonna try that so you guys can get a first-person view of what it's like to, I guess, rip a CR500. So let's get into the video. Got my bra on today. We're excited about it.
New chest cam, see how it works. Well, the neighbors know we have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, are they trying to be in the video?
I don't know, I just heard them talking about it.
Let's get this thing off me.
So, how do you like it?
Man, I honestly love any CR500, but so the biggest thing for me with these older chassis that have been converted, they just vibrate. So you guys might remember we did a RM Zilla, which is basically a CR500 motor and an RMZ chassis. That vibrated kind of heavily. We did a older CR450 with a CR500 motor, and boy, that one vibrated too. And now I'm trying out this Service Honda for the first time, and man, she vibrates. But That's why I designed the bolt-in kit, but the problem is it just costs so much to do that build. You got to go out and buy a brand new bike, and getting a 21 plus chassis is not the easiest thing to do. There's a plethora of these out there in the world, so if you're more on a budget and you're trying to build a 500, I mean, these can be done pretty affordably. It really just comes down to the added labor and all the fun stuff with cutting and basically converting the frames over. But my personal opinion, I like the simplicity of the bolt-in kit. I like that we're not messing with the heat zones on the frame. We're gonna have Blake test my bike soon, and we'll let the professional be the judge of that. But stay tuned for Blake Wharton ripping the 500 in a future video. This is a whole different feel from the 22 chassis that we've been working with. Feels a little bit tighter. The seat height's a little bit taller, just the way it's designed. But other than that, it's pretty much a standard trike kit. So everything from billet triple clamps down to the billet front hub. We took the front end from the dirt bike, we widened it out. We've got the three-wheeler / ATV style front rim and tire on there. Now you've got to have folding foot pegs that are extended. So we of course made our custom foot pegs on this build. Anytime you're doing a trike conversion, guys, I'm just gonna throw this in the video just because there's a little miscommunication on the internet. We always do cut the mid pipes and re-angle the exhaust. That allows it to work on our subframe. If not, this thing would be pretty much up here. It'd be about 4 to 5 inches taller. Because anytime we convert a dirt bike into a three-wheeler, we're actually bringing the seat height back and down, and that's how we get the ATV plastic to fit. Now this customer chose to go with pretty much all the goodies in the back, so everything from our custom swing arm, billet anti-fade, extended plus 4 axle, all the billet goodies and protection on here. This can was a little bit long, but we made it work. All the mounts lined up really well. I was really happy with that. It's got the looks like the frame was polished by the previous owner. That's always a nice touch. Kind of goes along, gets the polished parts flowing right up to the billet triple clamps, so that's a really cool look. And our customer chose to go with an old school Woody's graphics kit. So I think it looks really good with the black plastic. The only thing I would personally change on this, I'd probably add a number plate on here and then maybe some black fork guards, but definitely pulled off the black and polished theme. I'm real happy with it, so we'll see what he thinks of it. I guess I can show you guys a little peek under the seat here. So we've got our custom subframe right here. We've got our performance intake for the CR500, so it's a little bit different than the rest of our intakes. Seat post relocator that basically takes your seat post and pulls it back and gets it to work with this Honda seat. So this is a TRX450R seat. We've got the mirror black plastic, mirror front fender, and I believe these are a Cherubies aftermarket radiator shrouds. The goal is always fit and finish on these trikes. Try to make it look like Honda did put these together.
Come on, John.
You're making a shit ton of noise. You're killing me. All right. Oh, where was I at? Yeah. So guys, we're always trying to make it look like Honda assembled these bikes. So there is a lot of trimming on the fenders when you're doing a trike conversion. So I actually removed a little bit off the shrouds right here. And this plastic, this portion would have actually came all the way up to here. This got all trimmed up, tucked behind. Again, I was saying I do like the oversized gas tank that our customer had on here. Kind of fills it in nicely, brings this up a little bit. The only thing I don't like about this gas tank is it actually increases the gap right here. The OEM tank would have been a little bit tighter right here, but it's mainly because they bumped up the seat post mount. But you're gonna have that on the big jobs. God, I think that's it, guys. Just a killer build. If you guys are interested in having a custom trike built, head over to bbctrikes.com. You got something you want us to dream up, let us know. We're always open to doing custom projects. And like I was saying, this was sent to us as a complete running dirt bike. We simply just tore it down, bolted our trike kit on it, and it's gonna get crated up and shipped out. So Alex and I will see you in the next video. If you guys like seeing 500 two-strokes, definitely subscribe to the channel, and don't miss out on the future videos. I got tons of two-stroke content coming, so we'll see you guys later. All right, guys, I just want to mention, we do have our shorty kickstart lever on here, so you can see how close it is to the fender. I'm not going to cut these fenders. I'm going to let my customer do that if he wants to, but when I kick this, so my technique, I'm just going to go ahead and, for the guy that was crying saying I shouldn't be kickstarting these in tennis shoes, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I do it. So number one, kick with your heel. It's a trike and it's close to the fender. So we're going to turn it over. We're going to top. I'm going to go just past top. I'm going to kick with my heel. It's that simple.